Over the last few days, North Dakota has recorded its highest number of new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. Joining me now from Bismarck, North Dakota is MSNBC's Josh Lederman. Josh, good to have you with us. So what are you hearing from public health officials about the extent of this second outbreak?
I think the word to use, Eamon, is helplessness. The public health officials here know what needs to happen, but it's really hard to do it. Over the last several weeks, North Dakota has gone from having basically a very small number of COVID cases, not really having to worry about it in any significant sense, to having the most new cases per capita of anywhere in the country. And while the officials here know that the things they need to do are to limit these social gatherings that are continuing to happen, many of them indoors as the weather gets colder here. They need to get more people to wear masks. There is a deep resistance in North Dakota to having that kind of a policy be top down, something that the government imposes on people. And that's rubbing some public health officials as well as some residents the wrong way. Take a listen to what one Bismarck resident told me a little bit ago about her fellow North Dakotans who refused to wear masks.
I think they're being pretty selfish.
Selfish?
Yeah, because they're just doing what they all want to do. They're not respecting anybody else. Which that if they wear a mask, that's protecting us too, and them.
And Eamon, if you want to get a sense of what they're working with here, a few hours ago there were 2 open ICU beds that were available here in Bismarck. I just checked the latest numbers. There's now 1. It's right behind me at Sanford Medical Center, and it's now the only staffed available ICU bed in the Bismarck area. So it just goes to show you how small of a margin, how little wiggle room the authorities have here as they continue to see these cases climb.
All right, Josh Lederman live for us there in North Dakota.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.